And here comes Andrew Estrada out of the blue corner. Andrew, of course, in the white tank top, black trunks, and the blue headgear. Okay, before they allow the action to start, the doctor will take a look at Nate Wolf. He wants to make sure that he's physically able to continue. The referee asked the doctor in the ring to check this boxer, see that he was okay. And here we go now, start of the second round. Heavyweight division. Estrada 230, Nate Wolf 215. Estrada now out of the unorthodox stance. He's in the left. Oh, great left hand. Right in on Wolf. Wolf answers back with a left and right. Now some blood coming out of the nose of Wolf. Huge left hand there by Estrada. Now the referee's going to stop the contest for a second. They're going to take a look at Nate Wolf. Nate Wolf representing the United States Marine Corps. And you see Andrew Estrada now being told to go to the neutral corner by the referee. And they're going to send Nate Wolf back to his corner.
Use your jab, Use your jab!
Looks like they're on the verge of stopping the fight, but it hasn't officially been decided yet. They're talking to the handlers, to the manager over there for Nate Wolf. He took a tremendous shot right to the head there from Estrada. You saw that. It was a hard left to the nose. And that caused the nose immediately to start bleeding. The referee wants to be sure that the boxer is going to be attended to. Crowd getting impatient here. They want to see the bout continue, but again, for the boxer's safety, boxer's health, that is the most important thing. Andrew Estrada wants to continue on now, and the referee allows it. A lot of holding, a lot of clinching here. The referee is going to taking a point away from Andrew Estrada for holding. Again, a reminder to our viewers, this is not a professional fight. It's at the amateur level. You see the doctor in attendance. He's making sure that the boxer is certainly in control of his senses. Referee stops the contest as you saw Andrew Estrada unload with a series of lefts and rights, and it sent Nate Wolf to the canvas, and that was it. The referee and the doctor in attendance stopped the fight. Again, reminder, these are heavyweight fighters, and their blows certainly contain a lot more deadlier punching power.
How long is it? 30 days?
About 30 days.
Okay, there is the winner, Andrew Estrada. And again, the amateur, we're at the amateur division.
All right, let's hear it for these gentlemen. Let's hear it for Nate Wolf, from the U.S. Marine Corps.
Okay, Nate Wolf, a very courageous effort, but again, they just couldn't overcome the thunder right hands, left hand from Andrew Estrada. They're going to take a look at him, and he should be okay. He just needed to gather his composure.
Cleaning me. Why didn't mess with my new shirt, man?
I don't know.
Okay, there you see his brother, Sean Estrada. Sean Estrada in the ring.
Is Sean Estrada for the 2008 Olympic Games.
There he is. The pride of East Los Angeles, 2008 Olympian, Sean Estrada. There he is. He's going to present the trophies. Andrew Estrada wearing a T-shirt. Looks like it would be in memory of his father. Yes, it is.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the winner in the heavyweight division.
Wait. Okay, they're waiting for Nate Wolf to get ungloved there in his corner, and they're going to have the presentation in just a second. Here he comes. Nate Wolf, United States Marine Corps.
Let's give it up for these two gentlemen. The winner out of the blue corner, representing the head-to-head boxing club, Andrew Estrada.
Andrew Estrada. There he is, the winner of the heavyweight division.
Wolf.
That was the 10th bout of the afternoon, and it was the big boys in the ring, the heavyweights, and they put on a pretty good show there, but Andrew Estrada just dominated his opponent with thunderous right hands, left hands. He was all over his opponent. There was no doubt about it. Reminiscent of his brother Sean Estrada, he certainly went after his opponent. He couldn't wait to get in there to mix it up with him, and the results were just absolutely in his favor. Comes away with a technical knockout, or TKO, referee stopping the contest. The next bout on tap here, we're going to be looking at the 11th bout. It's Kurt Scobie out of Duarte and Oscar Gonzalez fighting unattached.